Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Fancy Cooking. On this occasion of Ramzan, we are going to be having a biryani marathon in my channel. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button so you get all my latest updates. I'm going to be sharing 4 biryani recipes whole week of Ramzan. Moving on to our biryani special, first on our list is Nammuru Bengaluru Donne Biryani. The things you'll need for Donne Biryani is, for the green paste, you'll need half a cup of coriander leaf, 1 cup of methi leaf, 1 cup of pudina leaf, and 5 to 6 fresh green chilies. 4 sliced onions. You need equal amount of ginger, garlic, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half kg chicken. In a pan, add oil. When the oil is hot, add your green chilies and fry them until they crackle. Add all your leaf. Now fry this until they are soft so you can grind them up to a fine paste. When it looks like this, it's time to grind into a fine paste. This is how it should look. Grind your ginger and garlic. Now to a biryani bowl with hot oil, add all your onions and caramelize until they are lightly brown. You can add half spoon of salt to this. Right about this time, soak half kg of jeera sambar rice in water. This is the right time to soak when your onions are frying. Once the onions are nice and soft, you can add ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice stir until the raw smell has gone. Once your ginger garlic paste is cooked, you can add in the chicken. Add half a teaspoon of salt, and cook this until the chicken is half cooked in medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your chicken is half cooked, it should look like this. You can add in the green paste. At this point, you can add in all your powders. If you want, you could add biryani powder too. Add in salt. You can add a bit of turmeric. Give it a nice mix. And cook this in high flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep checking on it so it doesn't burn. Once it starts to look like this and all the oil is separated from the chicken, you can add the water. So if you're adding 1 cup of rice, then 2 cups of water. You can add enough amount of salt. When you taste the water, it should taste salty. It's only then the rice gets enough salt. Give it a nice stir and bring this water to a boil before you add in the rice. Add in your soaked rice, give it a nice mix and bring this to a boil. When the water starts to boil, you need to cover and cook it in high flame for 10 minutes. Once your rice has been cooking for about 10 minutes, when you give it a mix, the rice is half cooked. So this is how it's gonna look. Once the water has reduced, this is an important step. You need to put a chapati pan on the gas and keep your biryani bowl above it and cook for 15 minutes in low flame. Remember, cook for 15 minutes in low flame. After 15 minutes, this is how the rice will look. Look how it has been steaming. Switch off your gas after 15 minutes and set it aside for another 15 minutes, and this is how it looks. You can add in a bit of ghee and give it a nice mix so you don't squash any of the rice. If this is a difficult step, then when you're serving your guest, you can add ghee above it. So your done biryani is ready. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We are 1 down and 3 more to go. Before you go, don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until our next biryani video, happy Ramzan. Bye you guys.